guys, so I had a lot of people with questions about the Z7's battery life. So just going to give you a quick overview of what my interpretation of the camera's battery life is. So I've got some screenshots of the back of the camera where it tells you how many shots per charge, that type of thing. I also then have the battery life for video recording. So I've recorded internally in the camera to the XQD card slot using 4K at 25 frames per second, and I've just left that rolling, and obviously when it hits that 29-minute buffer, I basically press the record button again and it will then start recording again, and it actually lasted for over 2 hours. So I've kind of sped that video up, and that'll be on the back end of this video if you want to see that. I warn you now, it's really boring, but if you do want to have a look at it, then please take a look.